I'm not doing that for followers. Really, I'm not. I am doing it for me. Hi, I am going to talk in this video about mindset. Mindset is everything. How your mind is set is everything. And shifting from lack, scarcity to abundance is what we all have to make sure we capture. My name is Tessa-Marie, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you will find the answers to life's true happiness and success. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when videos of this nature are released. Hey, mindset is everything. And one of the things we always do when we have mindset that's not aligned with abundance is the mindset of scarcity. We all do that. We all believe we do not have enough. Well, let me tell you something. When I started doing social media and I had no followers and I had nobody showing up, that's what I dwelled on, scarcity, nobody watching my videos. I did not dwell on one day I will get 1,000 followers or one day I will have 15 people on my videos. All I knew was the scarcity of not having. And then one day I decided, change my mindset. I'm not doing that for followers. Really, I'm not. I am doing it for me. I am taking what I've learned and I'm bringing it out there to say, hey, I did this. I went through this. I am sitting here now. And if you choose to listen to me, then fine. And when I came to that conclusion about that my mindset of not enough followers was scarcity, and I was missing the abundance of the knowledge I was getting. I thought followers would make me joyful, but what I found that made me joyful was having the ability to get a word or words and go with it and make some of it make sense. Not all of it makes sense because I am human. I am not perfect. But I also realized I was getting better. The more I did those lives on social media with nobody but me and one or two family, hey, I got stronger, I got better, my memory got better. I started with reams of paper, and here I am telling you, mindset is everything. Mindset makes us, if it's not good, it brings scarcity. And all we do, lack of abundance. But I am here to tell you, we can change that because I changed it. I had an abundance of time, number one. I did then, and I still do now. I had an abundance of time to do this, to come up and do this every morning at 8. And then I also realized I got more discipline, abundance of discipline, abundance of knowledge, abundance of practicing, abundance of days. I had it all. I stopped thinking of followers. I've been doing this for a long time, and I realized it doesn't matter. But what did you get out of it, Tessa-Marie? I got the Nancy and the Joan and the Angie and the Yuko and those that says, thank you, Tessa-Marie. You taught me something valuable. I got that. And to see somebody took the time to write and say, wow, I changed it. I followed what you said and it made me more successful. For the first time I found out somebody referred to me as a GOAT, G-O-A-T, and I'm thinking, what is that? Not realizing what the acronym meant, because she got something from what I was teaching her. And that made me feel better. And maybe she too, many times this woman was the only person watching me. And I'll never, ever forget how she made me feel. And it changed my mindset. I am here to tell you, let us go on this journey. Let me give you some tips, some simple tips that will make it possible for you to change from the mindset of scarcity to the mindset of abundance. Abundance. We can all get a mindset of abundance if we do the work, if we put in the time. Come with me, hang on, let's do this together. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here. And you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. The first question I'm going to ask you is, where did that mindset of scarcity comes from? Where did it come from? It didn't come from you. When you came into this world, you were independent, you were determined, you stood up 100 times and fell down learning to walk. You did all kinds of things, and it wasn't you. It had nothing to do with you. You heard it around you. It was told to you that, hey, prosperity is not something that the nice people get. It's everybody that is prosperous are bad. People with money are bad. But I found out that prosperity covers 5 pillars. And if you want to change that mindset, those 5 pillars have to be prosperous. The mindset around the 5 pillars of prosperity has to be a mindset of abundance. Hold on. Let us do this together. Emotional prosperity, mental prosperity, physical, financial, and spiritual prosperity have to be at prosperous abundance. If you have, and when you develop, and you are going to develop emotional prosperity, you're going to be able to stop and decide, is this worth my while to get angry now, or should I walk away? You know how you get this? By deciding to spend time and check your past behavior and say, no, not today. I'm not bringing this into my future. A little time of prayer and meditation helps emotional prosperity. The next one is we look at physical prosperity. Oh, you know, I'm fat, I never get a promotion, I'm this, I'm that, I'm black, I'm ugly, I have big lips, I have big nose, and nobody realizes when you're on social media, your lips is 4 times more bigger than it was, and anyway, the point of it is that, what do? You start to change for you what you do not like. And you say, you know what? I am good enough. My body is fine. I can walk. I can move, I can get up chairs, I can swim, you're building that muscle called physical prosperity. You're changing it. You're changing your mind about yourself. And that's where it all begins. Then you step into mental prosperity. I am good enough, I am smart, I am trained, I have qualifications, I can get this job. You start believing what you are and not believing what was told to you all those years ago, or even last night. When somebody said, well, you're not very good at that, Tessa-Marie, I said, I know it, but I'm trying. I'm going to get there. I'm doing it. I'm going to do it until there's nothing left in me. Building the attitude of mental prosperity is getting stronger, and spiritually. Oh, you're not good enough. You're just not good enough. This thing you're going to do is scary. Only rich people are bad. The spiritual, if you want to be spiritual, you have to just take it on the hip, on the slap. If someone hits you and you just go, God's name I bless, and you keep going. Hey, spiritual prosperity tells you no one has to abuse you mentally, physically, or spiritually by telling you all these bad spiritual things that you're going to die and go to hell. Where is it anyway? And then they bring you financial mindset to Tessa-Marie. Our family were poor, we had no money, we couldn't make ends meet, and la 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 la. And every day you're reaffirming this by your behavior. But if you have $1, you have money. If you're able to put the things on the belt at the store and you pay them, you have money. And having finances just gives you opportunities to have experiences you wouldn't normally have. That's right. That's how you change your mindset. One pillar of financial, physical, spiritual, mental, and emotional prosperity at a time. You work on them. Change your mindset from the mindset of scarcity to the mindset of abundance with your 5 pillars of prosperity. And when you do that, you are ready to take on the world. Trust me. You are ready to stand up and take on the world, and you will win. Maybe it might take you a little while. You're working on 5 things all at a time, but you persistently, consistently do this, you're going to get there. Yes, you are. Because if I had not consistently, purposely do my social media today, I couldn't be talking to you. I would have given up already and stayed Because scarcity, I don't care. I come because I love me and I have something in my 78 years to teach you. If you like this video, give us a like. Share it to someone that you know that can benefit and drop by. Do not forget to subscribe because there are more videos of this type to help you live your fulfilled life. Have a great day.